Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. If you're using Microsoft Excel and you'd like to list all of your sheet names in a specific sheet, you can go ahead and follow along. I'm going to show you exactly how to get it done. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're in Excel. What we're going to do here is on our Excel desktop app is on the top of the page, you'll see we have file, home, insert, page layout, and then we have formulas. Let's go and tap on formulas, and from formulas we're going to be looking for define name. All right, this is under your defined names or your name manager. Let's go and click on define name, and here we're going to create a new name. So over here in the name section, you can name it whatever it is that will reference this new name for you. So let's go ahead and add a name. Now, this scope, we will select workbook, and then if you need to add any comments, you can add whatever comments you need to, and then thereafter you'll see it says refers to, and here we are going to paste in this section. We're going to paste in this code, and I will put this in the description of this video. So go ahead and paste that in and click on OK. Okay, so now we need to select the sheet that we are going to list all of our sheet names on. So over here, I've got, of course, sheet, and we are going to select the space where we're going to put this in. So we need an index. Okay, so let's just put 1, and we're going to pull this down all the way to a couple more numbers. I have a couple sheets that I'd like to add in over here. So let's just drag it down, and here you can see this is where my sheets names will go. Okay, so now we are going to select the cell that we would like to list these names in. So I'm going to just use this C3 over here, and let's just select it. We're going to start by typing equals and index. We are going to open brackets, and we are going to dial in their sheet list. We are then going to put a comma, and we are going to select the index on the left hand side that we have put in here. So in this case, it's cell B3. You're then going to close the bracket, and we are going to hit enter. Now over here you will see that it says 1 and it says sheet. Now this is the current sheet that we're on. From here you make sure that this is selected, and then if you put your cursor on the bottom right hand side of the cell, your cursor will change into a small crosshair, and you're going to click on that corner and drag it down, and as you can see, the list that you'll see now is actually matching the worksheet names at the bottom of my page. It's that simple.